What's up YouTube? This is Ollie here. I'm going to do a very quick video of a quick unboxing of the Kingston 1GB data traveler, USB 2.0 memory stick. Quickly works with Windows Vista, XP, Service Pack 1 and 2, 2000, macOS 10, 10.3 above, Linux 2.6, so it's compatible across the whole range, which is quite nice. It's quite nice looking. It's got 5 years warranty, high speed USB. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm just doing this so I can. I'm kind of like banned from the computer at the moment because I'll tell you in another video, which will be my tell you later. So yeah, so here it goes. So here's the memory stick from the box. It's going to be pretty obvious what I do. Just sit it out. From now on, this is the knife I shall usually be using for unboxings. This is not really working too well. Except for this one, where I'll be using scissors. There. And here's a knife to the side. So when I open it, the only thing inside is the memory stick. It's got a little end loop so you can attach it to some key rings or something. It's got a little case which is kind of latches in place, quite grippy on the sides. Yeah, so it looks pretty good. I'll try and post a review about it. I mean, it is only a memory stick, but I'll see how fast it is and all of that. So that is the unboxing of the Kingston 1GB data traveler USB 2.0 memory stick. Thanks a lot guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye.